Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I are counting down our top picks for the best 3D printer for kids. Finding the right one can be tricky with so many options out there, but I have done the heavy research for you. Let's dive right in. Product number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer with Fully. I are starting strong today with a widely celebrated model that you need to see. I am talking about the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer with Fully. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 2,385 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Product number 2. Creality 3D Printer Ender 3v3ke. For our next highlight, prepare to be amazed by this exceptionally well-built unit. I am talking about the Creality 3D Printer Ender 3v3ke. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 1,450 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.1 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 3. Entina 2C 3D Printer for Kids. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Entina 2C 3D Printer for Kids. It boasts an incredibly rugged yet sophisticated exterior frame that is built to withstand massive amounts of pressure. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 323 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 4. Entina 2S 3D Printers with Wi-Fi Cloud. Now, I want to turn your attention to a truly magnificent item that is a massive fan favorite. I am talking about the Entina 2S 3D Printers with Wi-Fi Cloud. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. When it comes to performance, it solves common frustrations effortlessly, providing an incredibly smooth and versatile experience. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. Its highly energy-efficient nature quietly saves you money in the long run, adding tremendous hidden value. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. Backed by over 268 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.2 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. Product number 5. AOSEED 3D Printer for Kids. Continuing our countdown, I have a highly reliable product that consistently exceeds expectations. I am talking about the AOSEED 3D Printer for Kids. It boasts an incredibly rugged yet sophisticated exterior frame that is built to withstand massive amounts of pressure. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. It rarely requires any tedious troubleshooting, running flawlessly straight out of the gate and staying that way. It has been thoughtfully priced to fit your financial comfort zone. I have dropped the official link below so you can monitor live offers. Backed by over 159 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.1 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing, and I will see you in the very next video.